everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, this time we are going to learn about this phonic sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. B, B. Okay, the movement we have to pretend to hit the ball and say B. Okay, like this. B, B. Alright, can we do it together? Good. Ready? Go. B. B. Very good. And now let's try to write the B sound together. Okay, pointer, pointer. B. B. Okay, one more time. Just follow the arrow. B. B. Very good. Okay, now let's try to say some words that begin with B, B, B. Okay, are you ready? Good job. Okay. Yes, what is it? Great. B, ball. Good job. What else? B, barn. Yes, and then? Good job. B, bees. And then? Good. B, bear. Yes. And then? Awesome. B, bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. And then? Yes, very good. B, banana. Yummy, yummy banana. Good job, everyone. Alright, now let's try to spot the B sound. Okay, and don't forget, if you hear the B sound in the word, you have to say the word and clap your hands. Okay, great. Are you ready? Very good. Okay, let's start with the first one. Box. Box. Can you hear the B sound? Good job. And what do we need to do? Yeah, let's do it together. Box. Box. Very good. And where is the B sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning. Good job. Next, we have shoes. Shoes. Can you hear the B sound? No, 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 no. Good job. Next we have lamb. Lamb. Can you hear the B sound? Yes, you're right. What do we need to do? Yes, let's do it together. Lamb. Lamb. Yes, and where is the B sound? Good job. It's at the end, the ending sound. Very good. And next we have lion. Lion. Can you hear the B sound? No, 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 no. Good job. Next we have bus. Bus. Yes. Can you hear the B sound? Very good. What do we need to do? Clap our hands. Let's do it together. Don't forget to say the word, okay? Bus. Bus. Good job. And the last one, I have dumbbell. Dumbbell. Can you hear the B sound? Good job. And what do we need to do? Yes, dumbbell. Dumbbell. And where is the B sound? Good job. It's in the middle. Yay! Well done, everyone. Okay, and now it's time for reader. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal, and this animal produces honey, and the sound is buzz, buzz. What it could be? you're right, friends. It's a bee. Yay! You did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So, let's review. What sound is this? Good job. B. B. And now let's try to write the B sound together, okay? B. B. Yay! Good job, everyone. Awesome. Alright. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.